ever taken time off or a vacation hoping it would be the reset button you desperately needed, only to come back feeling just as exhausted or even worse? Time off is healthy and necessary, but it doesn't solve burnout. In this video, I'm going to break down why time off or vacations don't fix burnout and what actually does. So stick around. Burnout isn't just about fatigue. It's different from being stressed. With stress, you can take some time off and feel better and re-energized. With burnout, it's different. It stems from chronic patterns, such as unrealistic expectations, lack of control, misalignment with your values, or being under constant pressure. Taking a week off doesn't change the deeper issues. You're just stepping away temporarily. But the causes, they will still be there when you return. I remember when I went through my burnout, I would take extended weekends, either a Friday or a Monday, and sometimes even both, hoping that it would reset me, it would re-energize me. And when it didn't help, I would tack on more days. A couple days turned into a week. Then it turned into 2 weeks. And still, it never helped. And that was when I knew that there were deeper issues. Time away from work can feel like a breath of fresh air. You sleep better. You feel re-energized in the moment. And that's the key word, in the moment. You finally feel like you're back to your old self. But I hate to break it to you, and deep down you probably know it. It's only temporary. The moment you re-enter the same environment, with the same demands, with the same habits, that relief, it disappears quickly. It's like putting a bandage on a wound you keep reopening. Have you ever noticed that when you return from taking time off, sometimes you feel worse? Well, there are a few reasons for that. And I probably don't need to tell you, but it's a reminder that the pile of emails and work that were waiting for you, they can feel overwhelming. Returning to an environment that you know is unsustainable makes you feel like taking time off was pointless. And finally, getting a taste of rest makes you realize how much your body and mind really needed it. It just highlights how out of balance your life really is. For many, burnout isn't just about the workload. It's tied to identity. Self-worth is wrapped up in productivity, achievement. A vacation won't shift that. You might even feel guilty for taking time off. I know I did. And until you start working on the deeper patterns, nothing changes in the long term. So what helps? Setting boundaries, addressing root causes. Is it the toxic culture? Is it your manager? Is it unclear expectations? Is your role not aligned with your values? Take the time to reflect on that. Creating daily routines, taking restorative breaks. I've mentioned this in some of my other videos. But when you take a break, don't scroll on your phone, break away from the screens, go for a short walk, do some meditation, do some stretches, take a mindful coffee or tea break. Time off is great and much needed, but it doesn't heal burnout. Time off is like hitting the pause button. Until you figure out the real causes, nothing will change. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and if it did, please put a heart emoji in the comments below, and like and subscribe to help my channel grow and get the message out there. I want to be able to create a platform where we can openly talk about this. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you in the next video.